Mastering the art of job hunting, 5 Ps for landing your dream job. Welcome to our video on mastering the art of job hunting with the 5 Ps strategy. The 5 Ps of job hunting strategy are here to guide you towards success. Let's dive into one of the key pillars, personal branding. Personal branding is the secret ingredient that makes you stand out in a crowded job market. Craft a compelling brand statement that captures your professional identity and career aspirations. Highlight your core strengths, skills, and achievements. Create a stellar online presence by optimizing your LinkedIn profile with relevant keywords, a professional headshot, and a captivating summary. Regularly update your profile, share industry insights, and engage with relevant communities. Showcasing your expertise is crucial. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.